Hello, today I will show you how to fix a sagging recliner. This is a recliner we have for the past 7 years. It's in perfect shape, but the only issue is that the recliner feels very soft and gives us no support while sitting. Today I will show you how to fix it. Before I go ahead and explain how to fix a sagging recliner, I want to talk about the inside construction of the recliner. There is the first layer, it's a fixed cushion. This cannot be removed or touched. And right below it is a layer of just fluff. This feels like lint out of a washer dryer. It's just fluff and it can be folded and removed if necessary. And there is another layer of cushion. This is a very generic cushion sheet. This can be removed, and beneath it is the spring support system that supports all of these layers together, and this is what is giving the stability in my opinion. Now, discussing the actual fix, what you can do is get a closed cell foam sheet from any big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's, and insert that between the removable cushion and the fluff. You can also reverse the order by inserting a layer of closed cell foam between layer 3 and layer 4 as well. But I have found better results by putting it in between the fluff layer and the removable cushion layer. The closed cell foam sheet at Home Depot is also called an insulation sheet. It's available in two primary types. One is called like a pink sheet. Another one is a slightly branded version. The price difference in between them is just $1. But the other version, which is not the pink sheet version, has a layer of material on top of it, which makes it slightly sturdier. Now I will show you how the sheet looks like. This is the rigid foam insulation sheet you can buy at any big box store. You can see that there is a foam sheet and there is a thin layer of either plastic. I'm not sure what material is this, but I think this thin layer which is on top of the thick foam sheet adds a little bit of rigidity, and this is not available in the pink foam sheet. Or if you go to Lowe's, it's in a teal color. So this is what goes in between layer 3 and layer 2. Now we will cut it to size. This is what the underside of the recliner looks like, and you can see that there is a flimsy black cloth here. This has to be removed to access the several layers and the spring system. This is purely cosmetic, and you can see that this just can be pulled away without damaging anything, and this can be stapled back if necessary later. Before I make any more changes, I just want to go over the layers again. Here is the layer of fluff that can be removed, and this is layer number 3, which is the removable foam, and this is the rigid spring structure. All that I'm doing is inserting that sheet of foam in between layer 2 and layer 3. So what it would you may want to use a tape measure and exactly measure the size and the length and width of the sheet that will fit here. I have used a generic tape measure to approximately measure the width and length of the sheet that would fit. And for my recliner, it is 16 inches by 24 inches. I have marked it on the foam, and I'll be cutting the 2-inch thick foam using a big box cutter like this, which has enough depth to cut through 2 inches. The spring here is held together with a simple hook, and you can remove the hook by just pressing, and the hook should easily come off, and I'll just show it to you. And that's how the hook comes off. And the hook has another end. Please do not remove it as it is fixed. I will now show you how the rest of the hooks are removed. Takes a little bit of work, but that comes off pretty easy. Before I go further with fixing it, I just want to quickly show you how I have inserted the foam sheet between the layer of fluff and the foam sheet that was already there. You can insert it the other way around as well, and see what works for you in terms of firmness, and that should be it. You can see that the foam is inserted nice and snug uh, into the recliner, and I'm just trying to point out that the hooks must be accessible after the foam sheet is inserted. Sometimes they can get pressed in, so make sure they're accessible. I have now inserted the foam sheet, and the springs are back in place with a little bit of effort, and they are all nice and snug. The feet fit snugly, and I have used the same process to fix a three-seat recliner. Same process: measure, cut, insert, and have it firm. I hope you like this. Thank you.